Hello and marhaba, my name is Hani and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be preparing these super cute puppy dog shaped cookies. They're super easy to prepare and great fun for the whole family to make together. Bismillah, let's get into it. The ingredients we're going to need are flour, sugar, egg, sunflower oil, baking powder, cornstarch, salt and vanilla, and chocolate petals cereal, mini chocolate chips, and finally vermicelli. So we're going to start by adding our sugar into our bowl along with our oil. And now we're going to add in the egg. Just going to give that a good whisk. And now I'm going to add in the corn flour as well as my pinch of salt and my vanilla essence. Half packet of baking powder, which is about 1 teaspoon. Now we're going to add in our sifted flour. So I'm going to add in half. Mix it with my hands, or you can use a kitchen machine. It says incorporated, we're going to add in the rest. So this for me is perfect, as you can see. It's a nice soft dough. As you can see, we have our nice dough here. I'm going to let that rest covered on the countertop for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll be able to form and shape them. So now we're ready to form our cookies. So we have our dough right here, and then we also have some mini chocolate chips here. We have these chocolate cereal petals. They have this kind of shape here. And then we have some chocolate vermicelli. So we're just going to pinch off a little bit of our dough and form it into a ball like this. Make it nice and round. We have that. And then we're going to attach the little ears. So there's really no need for any water or any egg to infuse. See, and there you have the little ears for the little dog. And then we'll attach a nose. And then we'll use the vermicelli as the eyes. So really, each cookie is going to look different according to how you decorate them. Here we have all our cookies. All of them are prepared, and I'm just going to transfer them to a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated 160 degree or 325 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes. So here you can see our cookies are out of the oven. I'm going to allow them to cool on the baking sheet before transferring them to a serving platter. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I encourage you to try this cookie out with your children. If you did like it, remember to give it a like, share it with a friend, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.